Here I've got BLU Advance 5.2 and let me show you how to invert colors on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, go to the accessibility options and scroll down to the very bottom of the list. Then click on color inversion and that's it. As you can see, the colors have been inverted and you can use your device in dark theme. As you can see, the colors are way different, so you've got black display and white letters in settings, and then also the wallpaper is inverted, so this is how it looked like. And then if you would like to switch off inverted colors feature, just open the settings one more time, go to the accessibility options, pick color inversion, tap on it, and as you can see now we are back in normal mode. So that would be all. This is how you can invert colors in your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.